Good Monday, everyone. This is Lord Ray with HypedOnCrypto.com. We're about to do a lightning analysis on Cardano. We're looking at Cardano to Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart. Binance Exchange. Zoomed out, we have an overall bullish coin. It had its run up here. Great consolidation. We ran up again, a little bit more consolidation, then we had a huge exaggeration. And I'm going to talk about exaggerations in a minute with you. What do we want to do, guys? The first thing, we want to look for patterns. We want to look for channels. We want to look for triangles. So here's a plot point, multiple plot points. 1, 2, 3, 4 plot points for the top trend line. And we don't really need but one down here. And so let's try to move this a little bit. Yeah, this is good right here. The reason I chose this plot point was just because the levels of respect we're seeing at the heart line. So we found our channel. We're an established downward sloping channel that's been in existence for 31, 32 days now. So something else I see, we have a symmetrical triangle. Oh, we fell out of the symmetrical triangle, guys. Not good. Alright, so we zoom in a little bit more. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. We'll see if we got a hook and go. We definitely got a break. So yeah, we broke, we hooked, and we went. We didn't go though. So we didn't get a bearish engulfing candle. So it may not be substantial, really, this breakdown. But chances are we'll see lower prices. But we don't really know. We're kind of blind until we draw our Fibonacci retracement levels. So that's what I'm going to do now. Bottom to top, because we're in a downward sloping channel. We're looking for support levels. We have not broken out, so we're not looking for profit taking levels, everyone. Top to bottom. Something I see right here, things seem a little off with these Fibonacci's. Okay, so there was some respect, but not much. We had some. You see it's off a little bit everywhere we go. The respect isn't as clear as we've seen in a lot of our other charts, and so this is why I want to talk just for a second about exaggerations. So when you have huge like FOMO runs, you have smart money coming in down here, you have semi-smart money coming in here, then you have really dumb FOMO money coming in right here, and that's why it's the exaggeration. You have stupid amounts. If you look, let's go back to the 4-hour real quick, and I'll show you. Look how extended we got from the moving averages. Unbelievable. Like, you cannot sustain that. That's like you're Starman, you're in that Tesla vehicle in outer space. It's just not going to last staying up there. But anyway, so one thing that we could maybe do with fibs when you have exaggerations is you don't always want to take into account exaggerations. So if we moved this down to this level, that might be a more it might be a better high. Let's see if we can get more. Oh yeah, we get a lot more respect at these levels. See right here, it's off just a tidbit. All right, we're good. So multiple levels of respect. So Fibonacci's aren't always about top to bottom, bottom to top. Sometimes when you have stupid amounts of exaggeration, you have to take that into account so you can fib accordingly to better levels. So what are we doing right now? Oh, look, do you see more respect right here, everyone? Zooming in gives us better clarity that this is a respected level. So right now we're using this 618 as resistance. Okay, so if we can't break back above this level, we will certainly see lower prices, much lower prices. So we will test this heart line. If we can't hold above this heart line, We're going to the 786 level. We're going down to 3448 sats. So something to look out. If we're zooming out, we had a small amount of consolidation here after an insane run. That just is a lot of pump. But what happened? This level of consolidation was not strong enough to keep us above this level. So we've already broken down below this. Guys, below this level, there is no consolidation. You have to use, that's what consolidation's for. If you have lots of consolidation and you have run-ups, when they come back down, they're going to test that level of consolidation. And depending on how strong it is going to tell us if it's going to hold or not. And it did not hold. So we're in no man's land right now. We're testing pretty weak supports. So I would say chances are we would be hitting this level, because this is the last time we had any decent amount of consolidation. No respect here. We're gonna be trying to see if we can respect this level soon enough. So if you're a bull, I don't know. I have no optimism if you're a bull right now, just because we couldn't break above this trend line of the symmetrical triangle. We then after that would have to hit, break through the upper trend line of the downward sloping channel. So if you're like long in ADA, short term doesn't look good. If you want to trade ADA, I wouldn't recommend it at all, just because of the technical factors. There's no emotion in this. It's just I'm looking at a chart. It could be a blank chart, like, and not say ADA and me not know, and I would tell you the exact same thing. So RSI, we're starting to get down there. We're at 37. I know on the 1 hour we're a little oversold. That's it. I mean, it's gonna do what it's gonna do. It could pop here, make a lower high, and then continue its downward trek to let the RSI cool off for the oversold territory. So MACD isn't really telling us much, besides we're seeing some more negative momentum build up from its previous rundown. So overall, unfortunately, guys, I don't feel too good about ADA just based on all the technical factors. So I hope you enjoyed this lightning analysis on ADA. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe below. And hey, check out our Discord and our website that we launched last weekend. It's insane. There's a lot of stuff you can gain in there. We have news articles coming out by our leadership every other day, or I think it might be every day. But I talked to them today. We're working on a Monero article, and we're also working on an Icon ICX article. So what I'll try to do is get another lightning analysis out on ICX, and then we'll just go from there. But guys, thanks for tuning in, and as always, stay hyped.